shows how you can always ensure you're getting the latest version of a web page. This is extremely handy when you're doing programming, whether you're working on an actual software development or if you're working on a web page, anything like that where you're making a lot of changes, and sometimes those changes aren't being pushed out because the previous versions of the pages are being cached. And that happens a lot with all the browsers. Sometimes when I'm developing, I'm bouncing back and forth between different browsers, but there's an easier way to do this. And there's two ways to get access to the developer tools in Chrome. One is to press F12, the other is to click on the More Settings button, More Tools, and Developer Tools. And once you're here, if you click on the Network tab, next to this disable cache, you just want to uncheck this button. It's as simple as that. You can close this window at that point, and you can always go back and change this because this may slow down some of your web page responses because there is no cache being held. And also, in general, people typically the cache is fine because it's going to help store some images and things like that. So you may notice some sluggishness, but if you're trying to do testing and you need to know you're getting the latest version of something, so you're not trying to troubleshoot something that you have actually already fixed, but just isn't being represented, this is the easiest way to do that.